दोस्तों नमस्कार। जैविक वाला चैनल के माध्यम से एक बार पुनः मैं राकेश सिंह आप सभी को इस बारे में आकर्षित करना चाहूँगा कि मिलेट्स कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। वेलकम टू ऑल फॉर जैविक वाला चैनल। रिगार्डिंग टू द मिलेट्स इम्पोर्टेंस, everybody knows the millets are source of nutrients, highly source of nutrients in which contain protein, fiber, minerals, protein, lipids, essential amino acids, which is required for body to growth and for proper diet. Long time, since long time, our ancestors and tribals usually used to take the food in the form of millets, but due to the civilizations and we can say by the growth of agriculture researches, millets are leave behind the society. But the tribal community have conserved these all millets by their practices, growing in their stress conditions field where nothing can be grown, but the millets can be cultivated by their own practices. So they are conserving the indigenous varieties of millets and seeds which is going to be endangered. So this is our duty to conserve the seeds and the millets which will be will be uh, exhaust by the farmers and from the country. We know very well India is the country of diversity, so millets are growing throughout the world. In India only, this is the scientific research by which we are uh, we are uh, we are preserving these millets. So if we will take millets in the form of food, so we can conserve it and will support to the tribal community. So our startup Milletogy is going to be work are already with 500 tribal farmers started for supporting them, and we are making them train for food processing value addition of millets. We know the importance of millets, as earlier said and earlier videos told you that millets are mines of nutrients. So mines of nutrients, they contain highly protein, high fiber, high minerals, high lipids, high essential amino acids. So each millets, first of all, kodo, which will somebody says kodra, then little millets, kutki, finger millets, pearl millets, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, brown top millets. These all millets are very important, very rich in the source of protein, fiber, minerals. So our startup has make the innovation for taking the meal in the form of multi-millet meal, in which all the millets can be consumed by the single bite. Also, millets are very important by the mean of vitamins, the containing vitamins like vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7 and vitamin B9, which is very important for growth of body in the regular manner. So we can consume these millets, and our startup multimillet meal, which is supporting to the diabetic, cancerous, arthritis, asthma, immunity booster. So this is the millet which millet meal by which we can make the more healthier of the human body, and also along with the human body, means healthy body and healthy society, we will support to tribal community for conserving these millets. So we can give this property and this millets to the next progeny, next generation. That's why we have to make this meal in our daily diets. Lastly, I want to again make your concentration about importance, which is much important for much importance of millets is that all millets increase immunity in respiratory system, that will make the detoxification and healthy body. Second, these millets protect from diabetes, so it help to the diabetic patients. Also reduce the risk of heart diseases. It also improve digestive system. Digestive system is very important for human body, so it improve the digestive system. That's why by the digestive system it can maintain the health and wealth of human body. It lower the risk of cancer. Already I have told, it detoxify the body. Actually, alkalinic in nature of millets, which reduce the acidic quantity increase in the body by the millet meal. It increase the energy level of body. Highly energy in contain with millets, so can increase the level of body in the regular manner. Improve muscular and neural system. Yes, it contain the property of muscular and neural system maintenance. Also protect against degeneration diseases. Many diseases are very harmful for body, so it degenerate the protect the degenerative diseases. Antioxidant, highly antioxidant property in the millets, recommended to the pregnant women, because pregnant women needed high nutrients, high minerals, high protein, high calcium. So all the properties having in millets, so it is very important for these pregnant women. Millets are storehouse of health and nutrients. So already told, millets are very much important for human body. I want to share one thing more. Nobody in tribal community recorded as a heart disease patient, diabetic patient or cancerous patient. Very few peoples are suffering from these diseases because of consuming these all millets since many years, and they are very healthy and wealthy. So nowadays we have to move towards the millets, and it is our initiative for converting peoples towards millets, by which three more important objective will be covered. First thing, you will maintain your body health. Second thing, you will keep away from the diseases. Third, you will support directly or indirectly to the tribal community which are conserving the indigenous seeds which
मिलेट्स
can
में
be
आपकी रुचि है और
served
आप
to the
स्वास्थ्य के
next
प्रति
generation.
जागरूक हैं तो हमें
That's why
संपर्क
I
करें,
request to all
टच में रहें, जैविक वाला
to
चैनल को
come with
लाइक
us
करें, सब्सक्राइब करें
by
और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों
consuming
को
only
शेयर
these
करें।
products
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।